Good morning students, this is Mahalakshmi. I am working in GK Jain School. Today I am going to explain the HCF and LCM. What is HCF? HCF means highest common factor. LCM means least common multiple. So how to find the HCF and LCM for the numbers using prime factorization method? I will explain. So here I take 8, 12 and 14. So how to find the HCF of 8, 12 and 14 and find the LCM of 8, 12 and 14. So before that we write what are the prime numbers. 1, 3, 2, 5, 7. Prime numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Right. So we know the factor tree method, right? Because the last video I explained how to use the factor tree method. Here I explained the box method. Look at this. I draw the box like this. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side, right? So left hand side we using the prime numbers. Okay, right hand side we write the numbers. What is the first number? 8. I write 8 here. So 8 is divided by which table? So it is easily divided by which table? 1 table, it's a common number. So we are not going to take the 1. 3 tables? No. 2 tables? Yes. So 8 easily divided by 2 tables. So we write 2 here. Left hand side, write the prime numbers 2. So how many times? Write the down box. 4 2s are 8. Got it? So here look at the second number. What is the second number? 2. Sorry, 4. So 4 is easily divided by which table? 3 table? 2 table? Yes, 2 table. How many times? 2 times. So draw the one more box. Here 2, right? So 2 is easily divided by which table? We know that 2 tables. How many times? 1 times. So when we get 1, we stop to draw the box. We move to the next number. What is the next number? 12. So now we draw the box method. This is left hand side and this is right hand side, right? So left hand side we write the prime numbers and right hand side we write the second number 12 because first number we already found. So now we are going to write the second number 12. So 12 is easily divided by which table? 3 table? Yeah, 3 table. How many times? 4 times, right? So draw one more box. So 4 easily divided by which table? 2 table. So write 2 here. And how many times? 2 2s are 4. So draw one more box because we are not at get the 1. So when we get the 1, then only we are going to move the second number. So not at we get the 1. So draw the one more box. Here 2. So 2 is easily divided by 2 table. How many times? 1 time. So 1 2s are 2. Now we get the 1. So we are going to move the next number. What is the next number? 14 because we found 8, 12. So now we are going to find the 14. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side, right? So 14 is easily divided by which table? Yeah, 2 tables. How many times? 7 times, right? So 7 is easily divided by which table? 3 table? No. 2 table? No. 5 table? No. 7 table? Yes. So 7 is divided by 7 table because it's a prime number. 7 is only divided by 7 table and 1 table only. Now we get the 1. So now we are going to, so look at this. 8. What are the factors of 8? 2, 2, 2 and 1. Right. The next number is 12. So what are the factors of 12? 3, 2, 2 and 1. The next number is 14. What are the factors of 14? 2, 7 and 1. Got it? So now we are going to find the HCF. How to find the HCF? What are the common numbers are presenting in 8, 12 and 14? Shall we find? The first number is 2. So 2 is there in 8. 2 is there in 3 numbers. Right. Which number is commonly presenting in 3 numbers? That is the factor of HCF. That number is the highest common factor. So 2 is the 8, 12, 14. HCF is 2. Got it? So here LCM side, we are going to repeat the same process for LCM. Ones are 2. 12. 3 tables, 4 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. Repeat the same process. Got it? So now we are going to find the LCM of the 8, 12 and 14. How to find the LCM of this number? I will explain. So look at this. I repeat the same process in LCM. HCF and LCM. I repeat the same process. But now we are going to find the LCM. How to find the LCM? HCF means highest common factor. That means which number is commonly presenting in 3 numbers. That is a common factor. And in here LCM means we can write common factor also uncommon factors. So look at this. What are all common factors? 2. Because 2 is commonly there in 3 numbers. Okay. Okay, look at this. 2. 2 is there in 8 and 12. So we are also going to write the 2, but only one time. Got it? So 2 and 2. What are the remaining numbers? 2. 1 we are right or not, it's not a problem. Next number is 3. Then 7. So now we are going to multiply the numbers. So students, look at this. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So 24 into 7. 7 4s are 28. So 8 right here and 2 in outer side. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So look at this. 8, 12 and 14 LCM of 168. So this is the way to find the LCM of the numbers. Got it? Recall session. HCF means highest common factor and LCM means least common multiple using prime factorization method. Okay, first write the prime numbers. So now we are going to draw the box method. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Left hand side we must write the prime numbers and right hand side the divided numbers. So 8 here, 8 easily divided by 2 tables. So I write 2 here. 4 2s are 8 and 4 is easily divided by 2 tables. So 2 2s are 4. So 2 is easily divided by 2 table. So write 1 2s are 2. So when we get 1, we are going to move the next number. So going to the next number 12 using the same method, same box method, left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side using prime numbers, right hand side divided numbers. So 12 is easily divided by 3 table or 2 table, whatever table. So whatever table you can use, but the number is divided by, must be divided in 12 tables. So 12 is easily divided by 3 table. So 4 3s are 12 and 4 is easily divided by 2 table. 2 2s are 4 and 2 is easily divided by 2 tables. So 1 2s are 2. Here we get the 1. So move to the next one, 14 using divided by 2 tables. 7 2s are 14. So 7 is a prime number only divided by 1 table and 7 table only. So 7 1s are 7. So this same method repeat in LCM. LCM method we are using the same method. Got it? So now we are going to write the numbers. What are the numbers? 2, 2 and 2. Second 12. What are the numbers? 3, 2 and 2. Next 14, 2 and 7. So HCF means highest common factor, right? So which number is commonly presenting in 3 numbers? That is the common number. That is the common factor number. So 2 is the only one number presenting in 8, 12 and 14. So 2 is the common factor of the number. We are not consider the other numbers or common numbers. So this is HCF method. And look at this LCM. LCM means we should write the common factor, also uncommon factors. The common factor is 2. So I write 2 here. So another 2 is presenting in only 2 numbers. So I take only 1 2 here. The remaining number is 2 and 3 and 7. Okay. So now we are going to multiply the numbers. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 24 and 7s are 168. So 168 is the LCM of 8, 12 and 14. Got it? Hope you understand. Finally, it's a practice session. So students, I give 3 numbers here, 15, 28 and 36. So you can find the LCM and HCF. You should write your class notebooks. Thank you.